guys, welcome back to the video. So my first video is I delete it because my father, papa, dad is hungry. So I'm checking my oils tally in here. So let's start. So this is my musically. So many of them. Like that. I'm gonna checking them all. So the first one is this. Oh, so ugly like that. So I'm gonna copy that. Like that, guys. Okay. First guys, ayusin muna natin yung hair natin. And then, that's guys. So I'm gonna post it so everybody can see it. Sorry. So guys, I'm doing today Latina. So give me 10 or 20 or 20 million thumbs up. Shut up. She's Christine. So sorry that. Subscribe down below. Please. It's done. So I'm robot.
You thought you had a fool, that's cool. You went behind my back, that's cool. But I can play this game like
Just like that. Oh! Okay.
you thought you had a fool, that's cool. You went behind my back, that's cool. But I can play this game like you. You thought you had a fool, that's cool. You went behind my back, that's cool. But I can play this game. You thought you had a fool, that's cool. You went behind my back, that's cool. But I can play this game. You thought you had a fool.
So guys,
You went behind my back, that's cool.
I'm ugly. Look at my face. I'm so ugly. And then I'm so ugly. I don't know. So guys, if you are my likers in Musical.ly, please like this video and follow me guys. If you don't, I don't know what I'm saying. And are you done?
You went behind my back, that's cool.
Yes! Finally. So guys, my next video is reacting to the I'm gonna wait for a second. So guys, I decided to speak in Bisaya because I'm Filipina, and I don't how to speak. I don't know how to speak English. That. So, and sunod na ko nga video kay magsundog-sundog na ko sa lain. Kasi ang rebellities. Daghan pa. Basta, daghan. So, this is my video na, and I hope you like it. Like it. Juju wanna be slash shot. Hit the one, no stop, A. No stop, A. I wanna be. So guys, bye.